Hi there, my name's Hamdan. I'm a fourth year dental student at Queen Mary, and I'm also the UK representative at UKDentalCourses. Today it's a pleasure to have William at UKLoupes. Can you tell us a bit more about your company and the products you provide?
So UKLoupes has been selling loupes to dentists for about 15 years. It started with a student in Cardiff University selling loupes to first year dentists as they felt they needed to try them out before they got through to their fourth, fifth and went on to practice. The ability to use loupes earlier in their dental course helped so much when they actually started finally working, able to get used to using and working with loupes. So by giving access to younger years for more affordable loupes was a great way to start the company. And from that, people realised that they didn't necessarily have to buy more expensive loupes, and people were buying more affordable loupes more and more. So that's how UKLoupes came about.
Yeah, and that's a great thing because they get to use that product, get used to it, and then they can continue to use that after they graduate as well.
Exactly. A lot of people would sometimes think, I'll buy a cheaper pair of loupes and they'll only last me a couple of years. But what we've been finding is 10, 15, even longer down the line, people are still using the original pair of loupes they bought from us. People may want to upgrade, have a second pair with higher magnification or different style of loupes, and they can do that as well, because you're looking at maybe the cost of one expensive pair of loupes is the same as two, maybe even three pairs of more affordable loupes.
Okay, that's amazing. And is there a price difference between the students and the graduates?
There used to be, but not anymore. We've got one price now, so it's £1,000, £995 for a pair of loupes and a light, a case, warranty, and a guaranteed fit system. So a lot of more expensive companies would say don't buy cheaper loupes because they don't do a face-to-face meeting, etc. But we've got some modelling software now which enables us to measure loupes so accurately that we're confident enough to guarantee they'll fit you. And on the rare occasion there may need to be some adjustments, as with all loupes companies. What we can do is we will adjust those for free to give you the confidence that the loupes you're buying will 100% fit you. Okay,
that's amazing.
It is a very good service. Yeah.
And is the company UK based or is it worldwide?
So we're based in the southwest in Bristol. So we're based there. The loupes are the parts are from China, but they're built here in the UK, put together, built on the measurements we take from you, and then sent out primarily to the UK. But we also have some customers in Europe, Australia and America as well.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. And what's your role in the company?
So I am one of the directors along with Dan Keel. We're only a small company. There's two of us who work mainly from the office selling loupes, and we've got a number of other reps around the country who go on visits and do shows like this for us. Okay,
that's amazing. I can see you've got some loupes here now.
Yep.
Would you like to talk through a couple of the products?
So these are our sort of standard UKLoupes, which would come as part of the Loupe Light package.
Okay, and these are the through the lens.
So these are the through the lens or TTL loupes. So these are where the oculars are built into the carrier lens, which sets it closer to your eye, which gives you a really good depth of field of view.
Okay, that's amazing.
These are our three magnifications. The UKLoupes range goes from 2.5, 3, 3.5. They all look the same as this. The magnification is just they're built slightly different in the oculars. Different style frames. We can include a prescription. We can adjust the working distance, the interpupillary distance, and a number of measurements to make sure that the pair of loupes we build you will be perfectly fitted for you.
Okay, that's amazing. So it's completely customized, so that's individual.
Exactly. So you might see a cheaper pair on Amazon or on eBay, but what you'll find with those pairs, they are sort of an off-the-shelf pair. So there'll be a certain number of measurements which you will give them, and they will then give you the pair of loupes that best fits you. Whereas with UKLoupes, all these components are built completely for your facial shape, so they're completely unique.
That's amazing. And I think that an ergo pair of loupes as well, the second pair that you've got there?
Yeah, so this is the ergo style of loop, which is becoming quite popular at the moment. And what this does, it just enables a better body position for you to work in, so you're not bending your neck as much. If I just show you what I mean, it's a bit easier. So with these loupes, you'll see I'm tilting my neck slightly down.
Yes.
Whereas with these loupes, you'll notice that my neck isn't as tilted.
I see,
I've
yes.
got more
Much
of a straightened head.
Much better posture though.
It is. It does give you a much better posture, and it will look after your neck, especially if you're looking at working for many years.
Yes.
Looking after your back and protecting your neck is quite important.
Okay, that's amazing. And alongside that, are there any other things that we can expect in the future from UKLoupes?
Recently we've partnered with Surgitel, a US-based company that offered a premium brand of loupes. The idea being is we were going to shows and visits, and people were being either to not buy affordable loupes like UKLoupes or not buy premium loupes. So what we've done is we've brought these two companies together, an affordable brand, UKLoupes, and a premium brand, Surgitel. So we can then go to people and say, well, try on the premium brand, maybe you want them for a second pair of loupes, some higher magnification loupes, and try on our affordable brand, and then let you choose where you want to go with your loupes purchase.
That's amazing.
And that, we just think that just gives people a lot more options. We're not being pushy salespeople to say you have to buy this type of loop or this type of magnification. It puts it on you to say, well, it's up to you. Here's our range of loupes for you to try.
Okay, that's perfect. And where can people find more information about the company? Where can they maybe get a one-to-one try on?
So our website, ukloupes.co.uk. On there we've got an email which will be answered very quickly. We've got an office number. We've also got a UKLoupes and Surgitel WhatsApp group, and that's monitored by myself and all our reps. So any quick fire questions, pop it on our WhatsApp account, which is on our website, and we'll answer all the questions. Often within an hour or so, all the questions will be answered.
Okay, perfect. And well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For coming today and explaining the company. It's such a great company, and we hope that many students and dentists alike do research into UKLoupes. They provide amazing, fantastic loupes at a very affordable price and very good quality, especially with the new Ergo loupes and the new partner as well. Great to have you, and hope you enjoy the conference.
Thank you
nice
very
to
much.
meet you, William.
Cheers.